I want to update you on the tropics and remind you we're coming into October now. We are officially coming into the final third of the hurricane season in the Atlantic, and the activity should start to decrease. Of course, we get more frequent storm tracks coming through the area, and that helps to kind of recurve systems that form in the central and eastern part of the Atlantic. It helps turn them off to the north. That's what's happening with our latest hurricane, Kirk. We'll go ahead and show you that one in just a moment. Take a look at the showers here, not well organized over the Western Caribbean, but there is a chance, about 40%, that we could see something developing into the Gulf. There's some question as to whether it would come a little farther west into the central Gulf. We'll watch that. Again, Hurricane Center thinks about 40% the chances. Here's Kirk, and I mentioned with storm systems coming through, like the one that just pulled offshore, that front's going to swing out. It's going to help pick up Kirk and steer it off to the north. We have another area that will likely develop. This will be our next tropical depression, and eventually it should continue to strengthen and become Leslie. That's the next name on the list. So here's the track for Kirk, and Kirk is actually forecast to become a major hurricane. That could happen maybe late today or tomorrow, as the Hurricane Center has it projected to intensify. And then as we go into Friday and Saturday, likely a Category 3 hurricane, but turning harmlessly off into the North Atlantic. That water cooler up there, it should eventually weaken. Right now, it is not posing a threat to land. Now, that other area that we're talking about, kind of forming on the heels of Kirk, this one, if it does become Leslie, looking at the global models, they project it to turn off to the north, kind of following a similar path. So those two systems can do whatever they want as long as they stay out in the central Atlantic and they're not a threat to land. That's fine. As for this area here, again, not well organized, but that's the one that we're going to need to watch carefully over the coming week. We will do that and keep you updated right here at 13 News Now.